Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to insert HDRI background. Okay, to insert HDRI, you can click at these icons, word properties, and in color, like in this option, dot, you can click and choose environment texture. Click open folder and then search for your HDRI backgrounds. So in here I will use this example and you can click open. You can see in this render site the HDRI background will be shown into your drawing area. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to insert HDRI background. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.